Perhatian kepada semua penumpang penerbangan antarabangsa. Bagi memastikan kelancaran
Salam sejahtera, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome on board Malaysia Airlines flight MH4 from Kuala Lumpur to London.
Light meal will be served approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes before our arrival. Your entertainment guide is in the Going Places magazine. In the meantime, sit back, relax and enjoy our Malaysian
Attention to all
hospitality.
passengers on the international flights. To ensure a smooth journey, you are advised to kindly complete your check.
In this video, we will talk about Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines is the country's flight carrier and was established in 1947, having its headquarters in Singapore. It only moved its headquarters to Kuala Lumpur International Airport in 1998. The airline does have promotions and discounts very frequently through its website. Therefore, this airline would be very suitable for any first-time traveler on a budget. From competitive pricing, especially for regional routes in Asia, Malaysia Airlines has grown to become one of the important players in the global aviation industry, appreciated for its warm hospitality and premium travel experience. The following proposal examines its system, requirement, how tickets are purchased online, and some other features that can up.
Now, I will provide a brief overview of the functional requirements of Malaysia Airlines system. First, reservation system. The reservation system allows customers to search and book flight online. They can modify, cancel, booking, and choose from multiple payment methods like card, e-wallets, and loyalty points. Second, customer management. The customer system provides user account to track travel history. It also supports the Enrich Loyalty program for earning and redeeming points. Notification about booking, cancellation, and promotion are sent via email or SMS. The check-in system. The check-in system offers web and kiosk check-in along with electronic or printable boarding pass. It also handles baggage tagging and tracking efficiency. Fourth, flight operation. Flight operation include managing flight schedules, delay, and crew assignment. It ensures safety check before every flight. Fifth, in-flight service. On board, customer can pre-select meals, enjoy entertainment, and receive special assistance like wheelchairs. Support is available 24 hours through chat, email, or phone. Sixth, customer feedback. The feedback system collects review to enhance service. 7. Auxiliary service. International service include bundle tour package, onboard medical and travel insurance during booking. And lastly, technical integration. APIs connect to travel agency and airport. The mobile app support booking, check-in, and flight status with multi-language option. That's all.
Non-functional requirements are the requirements in which the quality attribute performance and constraint of a system and considered rather than its specific function. It could be that the identification of non-functional requirements related to Malaysia Airlines scope. Therefore, include the following. The first one is a performance. Response time. The booking system should respond within 2 seconds for 90% of user requests. For the scalability, the system should be able to handle up to 10,000 concurrent users at any given time during promotion or peak travel season. Throughput. At least 500 transactions processed every minute at peak hours. Second is a reliability. System availability. The system should be available 99.9% of the time. For the error recovery, in case of failure, the system will recover within 5 minutes without a loss of data. Redundancy. failover mechanism for critical systems such as booking and check-in should be provided. Usability, ease of use. The website and mobile application should be designed with an intuitive interface that can be accessed by users of all ages. Accessibility, complete with accessibility norms like WCAG 2.1, allowing viewing by users with disabilities. Language support. The interface must also provide the multiple languages to be used, which among others include English and Malay. 4 is security. Data protection. All sensitive data like customer payment information or their personal details must be encrypted while in transmission and storage. For the authentication, customer account multi-factor authentication along with multi-factor authentication for the administrative access. For the compliance, data protection and security according to international standards such as GDPR and PCI DSS. 5 is a maintainability. Good modularity. The system should be modular. This will ensure the ease of updating and inclusion of features. For the error logging, automatically log error with detailed information for debugging. For the documentation, provide full documentation of system architecture, APIs, and workflow. Scalability, horizontal scaling. This means that the system needs to support the addition of new server in order for it to handle the higher load. For the geographic scalability, the system should perform very well for users across different regions on localized service. 7 is compatibility. Browser compatibility. The site should be responsive in the major browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Compatibility. The mobile application should be compatible with iOS and Android with backward compatibility for previous versions. Integration can work seamlessly with third-party APIs such as airport system, travel agency, and payment gateways. 8 is a monitoring performance. Real-time monitoring. Ensure real-time performance monitoring with the detection of anomalies. Analytics. Offer front-end dashboard for the tracking of user behavior, volume of transactions, and performance. 9 is legal and compliance. Aviation regulations. Ensure system meet the requirement of international aviation authorities such as IATA, IATA, and ICAO. Data retention. Retain the customer data according to the Malaysian and international regulations. Environmental requirements. Energy efficiency. Utilizing only energy efficient serve and reducing the carbon footprint associated with the IT infrastructure.
System model diagram. System model diagram is the flowchart for user to booking the ticket. The flowchart represents the process of booking a flight using an online booking system. Now, we start the start section where the user begins to interact with the system. And then move to create account. At there, user who don't have an account need to register first by entering personal information and verify their email. Now we move to login and access and book a flight. The user will click the book a flight tab to actually start booking the ticket. Next, to choose depart date, the user need to choose the depart date, and also user needs to define passengers and cabin, like the passengers details such as how many passengers or cabin preference like economy or first class. At this stage, the system will check flight availability based on user input and loops back and book a flight if the flight is not available. If the flight is available, the user will proceed to the next stage. The next stage is select departure. After the select departure, user need to fill the passenger details like name and phone number. And after this, the system will ask the user if user need extra service like need an extra baggage or extra food. If yes, the system will proceed the selecting service, and if no, the system will proceed to the next step. The next step is review and confirm. This step allows user to verify all interest details including the passenger's details and service selecting. And now we move to the next step, payment section. The system needs the user to the payment gateway using options like credit cards or debit card or e-wallet or online banking. Last but not least, after user already successful payment, the system provides a booking confirmation and the system will display the booking is successful.
Now, I would like to talk about sub-module interfaces of Malaysia Airlines. First is search page. This is the section where users begin organizing their journeys. The users are able to type in the airports from and to which they are traveling, the traveling reports, and the number of passengers traveling. It assists them in locating ticket and suggests various options for them to filter the ticket based on the cost, duration, and distance by flight. Depending on the cost, user can choose a seat in an economy premium or business class. The prices are updated so that the information available is always current. Second is flight selection page. On this page, users can view a catalog of all the available flights with their respective details including but not limited to the departure and arrival times, time in between the flights, and cost of each flight offer. In order to find their most favorable offer, they may also view the flight by their price or duration filters. Third is booking detail. In this section, users provide their flight information in relation to a respective flight such as their name, ID number, and their contact number, while other information linking to baggage, meal, and seat preference can also be provided. This final page basically explains how much users must prepare in terms of cost during the payment process. Last but not least is payment page. This is the section where users settle the charge for their flight. The users will pick the payment method of their choice, either a credit or debit card, digital wallets, or internet bank. This page is encrypted such that no information about the users is leaked during the payment grabbing. The users then receive confirmation details comprising the booking ID number and receipt after completing the payment.
In conclusion, Malaysia Airlines Ticket Purchase website aims to provide a comfortable and efficient user experience. The site follows a linear flow, guiding users through searching for flight, selecting tickets, and making payments. Key functional requirements include this tab, support by non-functional requirements like system stability, responsiveness, and information security for a reliable experience. Sub-module interface such as customer support, loyalty programs, and booking management further enhance the platform functionality by addressing customer needs and maintaining high service standards. The website unifies convenience and quality for both the airlines and its customer.